WHOOSH Electronics, from the moment of its establishment, keep working on providing stable and reliable products to clients. In 2004, WHOOSH Electronics was founded with great foresight vision. In Shanghai City, hometown of China greatest Chairman Mao, from raw material procurement to R&D in production, strict quality control of each component and procedure. WHOOSH Electronics has passed ISO 9001 2015 Quality Management System certification. Our products have passed the National Compulsory CCC Quality Certification, the EU CE certification, and in 2019, WHOOSH Electronics has become National High-Tech Enterprises Market-Oriented. The core competencies of R&D and service has developed to the industry first-class level. WHOOSH Electronics, with its over 50 years of experience in R&D and manufacturing of power supply, customer demand-based, always uphold operating principles and developing market with integrity to consolidate the market by quality, to win the market by service, to lead the market by innovation. WHOOSH products are selling throughout provinces and cities in China and well accepted by overseas clients from France, Spain, Russia, Korea, Indonesia, Vietnam, India, etc. WHOOSH Electronics does not allow a single defective product to enter the market.